Well, hello everyone. It's like right here, talking about right here is a dental called toothbrush right here, and basically though that you'll talk about say with the toothbrush is that if anybody knows like how I smile it is of talking about this like how I smile and I converted the last time I went to the dentist it was that I told them it's been about 9 years since my last dentist visit it was, and a lot of times though that talking about looking in it's like to the left and right. And on the inside it is, and basically that knowing about that whenever I filled out the papers, of course, just before I went to the dentist, and then they said that they would fill out any cavities it was, and basically though that you have right here is to say the toothbrush, so far as the dental cost say toothbrush it is, and then right here is say with the toothpaste, like with anybody would maybe think about if you want to go ahead and like wash your mouth out, it's like. It's like if you would wet the teeth and then from there, and then go ahead and see here that you use to say the toothbrush it is, and you wet a little bit of the toothbrush. But anyway, got here is that the toothpaste right here, and a lot of us would probably think about with most of the time with most dentists is like how you spread the toothbrush, how you use the toothbrush, how you spread the toothpaste on the brush. Is it kind of like this right here, and then that seems like maybe just a little bit too much it is, but really but maybe any kind of toothpaste it is so far as most of the time with dental coverages is, but on your hand too, if you brush your teeth like this, it's like back and forth motion, of course on the top of the gums, and of course down below, and then of course up on top of the mouth, and of course it is your tongue. And what you just saw was, of course, whenever I was brushing a tooth, and of course anybody would probably think about is to go ahead and use like which causing side by side motion it is whenever you're brushing your teeth it is. And basically though, that you like to talk about say with the toothbrush, and of course with mouth rinse right here. And a lot of times though, that if some people may rinse their mouth out a little bit with water before they rinse, but go ahead and do this like so far as steps 1 through 3 right here. But other than that, right here, it's like if you would actually rinse your mouth out, and then from there, and then just dab it out a little bit with water. It is. Other than that you have right here, let's talk say that say with the mouth, it's like if the mouth, how clean the mouth it is. But anyway, but so far as you say is talking about with say the dental called say toothbrush it is. It's basically though I have not rinsed off the toothbrush yet, but anyway, if you're gonna be like if you saw that have brushing your teeth it is like you say decide, and a lot of times that they say that it's not recommended of course to go ahead and to scrub your gums real hard, because I have to say they can cause irritation of course through your gums. But other than that if you were to brush at least 3 or 4 times a day, something like that, and on about so far as you can say for clean, so far as for clean healthy teeth it is. And with anybody may think about it, it's like so far with dental floss. And a lot of times though that at the time we wonder about that you say on the dental it is your dental coverages, a lot of times it really, dental floss, you know, what is the reason? Maybe some dentists that don't even provide dental floss for you to brush your teeth, and most of the time, you know, that half the time, like anybody probably wonder, like, you know, how does dental floss work? It is basically you hold it like this, like let's say get a good grip, let's say on both sides of this, and slightly just go slightly turn guns, and then go back and forth and back and forth. And of course I got the water flosser it is, and of course you would toss the used, say discard, you know, the used string it is. But anyway, talking about, you know, for what you call, it's like for dental, it's like for the dental toothbrush it is. But our dentist is talking about right here, it's like for, say, for a healthy clean mouth it is, of knowing about anybody maybe think about, really, would you rather have what you call, it's like, would you have, like, you know, or would you go ahead and maybe use this? But anybody maybe think about, well, you know, either way, as long as like knowing about for whatever goes on with my teeth it is, it's like between what you call as a root canal, and of course maybe say irritated gums, whichever it is. But on your hand, that knowing about, it's like so far as knowing about, say, what the dental coverage is, the dental coverage it more likely may have to cost if you take good care of your teeth at your own time. Other than that, say, so far as say the dental call a toothbrush.